G'day, Matt Stone here, still at home, and I'm going to share another recipe with everyone today. So we're going to do a poached chicken salad, but the sort of key point to this whole recipe and this whole dish is actually poaching of the chicken. So it's the best way to maximize the value out of the chicken. We're going to poach it whole. Really simple, we've just got a whole chicken. This is around 1.8 kilos. I've got 2 litres of water just in a pot coming to a boil, and I've got some garlic. I've got some rosemary, just simply because it's in the garden at the front, and just really carefully merge it in. We're gonna bring it back to a boil, and we're gonna turn it down to a simmer, and we're gonna leave it for 20 minutes. So now we're gonna turn off the heat and leave it for a further 15 minutes to cook through. This chicken's cooled down enough that I can handle it. We're just gonna break it down. And as you can see, it's beautifully cooked. Sort of just cooked all the way through, but really nice and succulent. Okay, so all of those bones have gone back into the pot. We'll put it onto a high heat. 2 hours, you'll have a beautiful chicken stock. So we're gonna make the salad using the breast today. And this leg meat we'll keep for a couple of days in the fridge. Probably best eaten next day, but we'll keep for 2. And this would be great with some chopped up vegetables and beans to make a taco filling. It'd be great shredded and mixed with some mayonnaise to make a sandwich filling. You can put it into a curry at the last minute. So it's got multiple uses, and we're really maximizing how many meals we're getting from that one chicken. This dressing, we're going to use some sour cream. Just got 1 top here. We've got the chopped dill, we've got some mayonnaise, dried garlic powder, and we're just going to add a small splash of cold water. And you can see we've got this kind of nice loose dressing. We'll add the seeded mustard, just a kind of a nice heaped teaspoon. It's good to go now. Alrighty, so we've just washed these cucumbers. You can cut this however you like, really. I'm just going to do it kind of a little bit chunky-ish. So we've got these beautiful avocados. We've got our cloves lettuce that's been washed really nicely. We don't want to overdress it, but we want to make sure everything's nicely coated. And we're just going to kind of layer these leaves into the plate. So we've got our avocado, we've got our cucumber, we've got some dill, we've got some croutons, got the chicken. So we're just kind of layering it all together here. We're just going to add a little bit of seasoning. Then we're going to take a bit more of the dressing. And there it is, that's my poached chicken salad. So we've got maximum value out of 1 chook. So we've got 4 main course portions of this chicken salad. We can get 4 main course portions using the legs in a different dish, and we're gonna end up with around 2 litres of chicken stock as well. So we're using the whole animal, we're getting maximum value out of it and making delicious food. There it is.